Did you know about the structures that have been found below the pyramids in Giza? Because I learned about it today and I had been hearing a lot of speculation about it, but there was no confirmation. So I was just like, whatever, who knows? And then I listened to the Joe Rogan podcast. I mean, I started listening to it in 2011, I think. And at that time, I used to listen to all his episodes, but now I don't really listen to it so much. I just pick and choose if there are some very interesting people on and I listen to that. So while I was making kulfi today, I listened to this episode with this gentleman called Filippo Biondi, I think. He's an Italian scientist engineer. And they have used some form of ground penetrating radar, and they actually have scans of what's below. And essentially what it is that below each pyramid, they have found pillars which are 20 meters in diameter. So under every pyramid, there's this cluster of pillars, and then under the cluster of the pillars is a chamber of some sort, which is a cube, 80 meters by 80 meters by 80 meters. And not only that, these pillars, there is some form of coil around them. And I mean, obviously no one's actually been there to see it, but these are scans and they verified the scans and whatever, and it's fucking real. Like, there is stuff there. And I just find all this so fascinating. Like, oh my god, what is it? Because there's been speculation about how old are the pyramids. Nobody really knows. The archaeologists are like, whatever. And, the Egyptologists are like, no, this is what it is. They don't want to rewrite history. It's like this whole thing. If you've especially been listening to the Joe Rogan podcast, you'll know. Like, he had Zahi Hawass on, and he's had a bunch of people on talking about this stuff. And then, of course, Joe was like, oh, you have to tell me, what do you think? So this gentleman was like, okay, I can tell you non-scientifically what I think. And this is what he said. He said that he thinks that these things create or absorb vibrations, natural vibrations from the earth, from water, from wind, etc. And these vibrations are then absorbed into what currently archaeologists call a sarcophagus. But this guy thinks that the sarcophagus is actually for a living person to go into, so that he or she can then absorb those vibrations and essentially have induced what was it called? Out of body experience. And then Jamie, the dude who manages Rogan's podcast and does the recordings and everything, and Jamie was like, yeah, that sounds like a psychedelic Disneyland. A psychedelic Disneyland. That was really, really cool. That is a really cool podcast. So yeah, give it a listen. It's fascinating. I have never been to Egypt. I have not been to Egypt yet. I would love to go. And so now this guy, the Italian engineer, scientist guy, he's trying to pitch it to some Italian institute, or even to the Egyptian government, that we don't even need to dig anything. There are these air vents or shafts or whatever that the base of the pyramids have, and they're saying that they want to put drones and robots to go through that, so that they can so that there's no risk to any human life, and then there's no damage to these things, and they can send a camera with it, and then at least they'll be able to see what is going on. And I really hope that works out, because I feel like there's a lot of pushback, especially from the Egyptian authorities, because I think the reason they say is that it'll impact tourism in Egypt, and tourism is a huge economic thing for Egypt. But this guy was like, no, it's we don't have to shut the pyramids down. We can just cordon off one particular area, and people can still come and look at the pyramids, and we can still do this work, which is all part of his proposal. And I just can't wait. I was like, oh my god, I really want to see what does it actually look like? Because right now what they have are I don't know if it does a sound frequency or how the radar works, but it's these, blue and green and red and orange kind of things. If you see the podcast in video, especially on Spotify, then you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. But it looks bizarre. What was going on in Egypt? We don't even know how the pyramids were built with that kind of precision. And now they found this stuff, and he was like, it's 1.2 kilometers under the surface of the earth, which is nuts. I want to know now, why are they not doing something about it now? Just do it. But of course, I don't understand what the technicalities are, but it's so exciting.